boys out here with me. Hiya, just a quick update on what's going on in my garden. I've taken all the plants away from here just so I can have easy access behind here to pull out the weeds and stuff when I need to, because I don't want them overgrowing and damaging the fence. So that's why I moved them. I quite like them over here anyway because they're kind of nearer to the windows. When I look out the window, I can see all my flowers, plants. These are just really nice and bushy and they smell so good. This one's a nice smelly one as well. I've been promising to label them up because I keep forgetting what they are. The bumblebees are still on these purple flowers here. And these ones have lost all their purple flowers, and also this one doesn't look like it's budding anymore, purple flowers at the moment. But look at my dwarf sunflowers. We had some sunshine for the past 3 days, I would say, but before that it was kind of really windy. That's why I didn't get a chance to record before. It was rather windy, but look at my sunflowers, they're beautiful. My hydrangeas seem to be getting on okay. That's a slow grow there, but when I go up to the plant nursery, the garden centre, I will look into getting a couple of hydrangeas. These chrysanthemums that I got from IKEA, I picked off all the dead ones, and look at all these new growth here and here, all this new growth. So I'll just keep an eye on it. I mean, we're getting less sunshine now. It's not going to be very much sunshine, but I'm just so pleased with my sunflowers. That looks pretty, doesn't it? Yeah, so this has really grown so good. Beautiful. And this one is lovely. Look how it's gone all pink. Really, really nice. And I've got so much new growth there, so much. Look at my rose bush. Lovely, look at this. And still got more buds going on. Still new growth. I'm really, really happy with. Here on the top there. And here. I'm pleased with that. And then the big one now, the pink one, I got about half a dozen or a bit more of them last week. Put them in the vase inside the house and they looked so pretty. I'm going to take this one off though and bring it inside just to get that enjoyment, that pop of colour in the house. And there's my lavender. Looks like it's dying, but it's not. It'll come back up because I think it grows all through the year. And my lemon verbena plants, I've been sorry about that. Nice big plane there, or helicopter. Yeah, so as I was saying about my lemon verbena, oh, it smells so good. I did cut some off because it was really growing big. I cut some off and I steeped some. I steeped some inside the house. And I put it in a jar with a little bit of tea tree and use that for cleaning, wiping down, you know. There's my mint. I want to get another mint. Another mint plant. Because there's several, isn't there? And then here's some more lavender here. Smells so good. Yeah, I'm going to use them I'm going to steep them and make the house smell really nice. My chives have grown back so much. I'm going to see if how I can store them inside the house. Maybe chop them up and freeze them or something. So I don't want it to waste. I really don't. This is my tomato plant that my friend had given me. I have got a tomato here. Can you see? There. And I thought I saw another little one somewhere. But anyway, here we go. We've got a couple here. But I don't mind. I don't mind not getting any this year. I mean, the plant itself, it smells so good. It really does smell so good. Oh, very nice. So that is that. Sun is trying to come out now. And then I still have my rosemary here. Try and keep out the caves. My thyme. I don't know what this little flower is. And here is the peppers. Wonder if they're going to get any bigger. I'm going to do a little bit of research on it, because if this is the biggest it'll grow, then I have to start taking them off and using them. Here's my basil. But sometimes, oh, this smells so good. But sometimes it looks so strong and healthy, and then other times it just looks like it's wilting away, but it's not. I'm going to pick off all these dried ones and help it to, get back to life. That's what I'm going to do. But yes, really, really pleased. Oh, the sun is out now. Beautiful. This is a plant that it was a mixture of plants that you get from the supermarket in the tins, special offer ones. That's how that has been growing. Sounds really busy out today. And this one as well has dried up a bit, but those are the flowers that was there. And it's really nice. They're really drying out now. I wonder if they're going to come back. I'm not sure. But yeah, that's my garden update for now. And I'd really appreciate a thumbs up if you did like it, this video. And do subscribe. And also hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.